of a marshmallow. Hopefully I'll be able to see it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let it like poof.
I think you should let it poof.
I don't even play about that. Yeah, marshmallow gets nasty stick.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, too bad it's not like a regular marshmallow where it doesn't have ends cut off it. Then those get huge.
Whoa, it's growing.
I'm surprised it hasn't exploded yet.
I'm surprised you have to put it on 30 seconds. I think it's because like regular marshmallows.
Hold on, I want to see it. Ew! Ew! It started cooking. I don't think it was gonna explode.
I need cream.
Might have been the sugar.